Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. So in this video, I will share with you a recent job openings from Poland. I hope you all of know that Poland is a European country. So many guys have a dream to move Europe with a job. So I hope this information will be helpful for your career. So please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the recent job openings from Poland and how you can apply and what is the eligibility criteria. Everything details I will explain you in this video. So let's start. So this is the urgent vacancies, multiple vacancies, and Poland work permit, job details, mushroom farm worker, factors packing jobs. As you know, in Canada, in Australia, and in New Zealand, in also many European countries like France, Italy. So there are so many farming job openings in seasonal work permit. According to the season, they are hiring some foreign workers to work in farm sections. So if you are interested to apply for this job, please apply as soon as possible. You can forward your all documents including your CV and all certificates and all experience, and if you have any international experience also you can mention, and you can send all documents to the given official email ID if you are interested to work in mushroom farm worker or factory packing jobs. So next job is chicken factory jobs. Chicken factory jobs is also a highly demand jobs because so many foreign clients, they are hiring foreign workers to according to the packing jobs and also factory jobs. So if you are interested, you can apply as soon as possible. Vacancy ID 14953, location Warsaw. Warsaw is the capital city of Poland. So official employment, the thing is good physical condition is recommended for this vacancy without bad habits. Job experience is not required. Requirements: men or women. Age limit should be 20 to 55 years old. Duties: the position is responsible for cutting and trimming chicken to size for display or as ordered to by the customer and places chicken in containers to be worked by other workers, maintaining the cleanliness of working station, cutting and prep equipment, quality control of chicken. So this is all about the chicken factory jobs. If you are interested, you can apply as soon as possible. The salary already mentioned, as you can see here, this they mentioned in the Poland currency. So 2,800 to 3,400. It's near about $700 to $900. If you are interested, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email to the given also all documents. So guys, next job is welding jobs in Poland. Welding jobs also vacancies from Poland. If you are interested for welding jobs, you can apply. Location will be Warsaw, and the job requires technical skills and knowledge of welding technology. Work indoors welding both small parts and pipes according to the standards and in a timely manner. So requirements: the men and men only, women cannot be applied for this job. Age limit should be 20 to 55. Average rate 50. This is PLN, this is Poland currency per hour. That means monthly salary 3,400 in Poland currency. So let me tell you, the currency name of the Poland is zloty. So guys, you will get salary in this currency, and work schedule will be from 10 to 12 hours, and apartment accommodations room intent for 3 to 4 people covered by the employer. They will provide you the accommodations with 3 to 4 people in a flat, and you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Next job is Seamstress jobs in Poland. So Seamstress jobs vacancies ID is 14923, location Lodz, official employment. Lodz is the vital city in Poland. So job experience required. Duties: sewing women's clothes, trousers, dresses, blouses from the beginning to the end. Requirements of men only up to 55 years. Work experience is mandatory. Monthly salary will be 3,200 to 4,000 zloty in hand. Work schedule will be 8 to 12 hours. If you are interested and if you are want to move Poland with your jobs, you can apply by this email ID. So let's move to next job. optical fiber installations job in Poland. If you are belongs to optical fiber installations professionals, you can apply. Job vacancies ID 14921, location Warsaw. I already told you Warsaw is the capital city of Poland. Official employment. This job requires general technical skills. All necessary training to get specific technical skills you need to install and service fiber optics networks will be provided. Duties: installations of optical fibers networks within offices and new buildings, testing equipment, ensuring all installations are completed to the correct standard and delivered on time. Requirements: man age to 20 to 55 years old, and average rate 50 zloty per hour. Monthly salary will be 3,400 zloty to 3,800 zloty. This is the Indian Poland currency. Work schedule 10 to 12 hours. Transportations to the workplace provided by the employer. A hot lunch is served once a day. Hostel-like accommodations rooms are intended for 3 to 4 people. If you are interested, you can apply by sending your all documents to the given official email ID. Oh, let me tell you one thing. After you sending your all documents, the CV will be shortlisted for interview. If your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. Then you can move forward for the further process. Next job is construction. If you belongs to construction jobs and if you have experience, your country, in your country, also in out of country, then you can apply for this job. In construction departments, vacancy ID 14918, location Warsaw, and job experience required. The Polish development company is looking for qualified specialists and construction professionals: mason, fitter, concrete worker, plasters, filler, and painters with previous work experience from 1 year to more than that. So guys, I can tell you one thing: if you have experience in any Gulf country, apply as soon as possible. You will get a chance. This is best option to apply for this job if you have the Gulf experience. Requirements: man age should be 20 to 55 years old without bad habits. Knowledge of the safety rules. As you know, European countries, very disciplined countries, they never allowed of any bad habits. So please keep in mind. Knowledge of Polish language is an advantage. However, English is acceptable. So one thing I forget to tell you: if you want to move European country, for which country you want to move, please try to learn the language of that country, because there are 28 countries in European continent and there are many different languages for different countries. So if you want to move any country, please try to learn this language. It will be great benefits to your careers if you want to move this country. So let's move to next job: installation worker jobs in Poland. If you belongs to installation professionals, if you are working as installations, you can apply as soon as possible. Location will be same, Warsaw. Validity vacancy ID is 14909. Duties: insulator heat installations of pipes, covering of ventilation stuffs, cotton wools, fan plus to work up the roof. So guys, I'm very sorry if you were disturbing by the background sound, but I have no options because I have to share with you before the last date will be ahead. So before you can apply, so I am hurry to share with you. Please collect this information and apply as soon as possible. So guys, after a few months the process will be start. The embassy, the visa offices, agencies, all will be open. So be careful and be alert and apply and go ahead. So for this job, experience requirements: minimal medical examinations of BHP, 150 police lodge, on time payment. Good physical and mental conditions is very important. And if you are interested, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Don't forget to send a cover letter to CV. This is very important. Next is cleaning jobs. It's a on-skilled labor jobs. If you are interested, you can apply. So no requirements, no previous experience is required for this job. You can apply, but you have to send your proper documents, your qualifications, your all experience. If you have working as a cleaner or housekeeper in any country or in your own country, and you have to make a good biodata or CV, then you can apply by this email ID. So guys, today in this video I already shared with you many jobs openings from Poland. This is a golden chance. Apply from now. When the visa agency and embassy will be open, your process will be start. So before that, you have to attend the interview by satelliting your CV. Then you can move forward with your job openings. So let me tell you again: cleaning jobs openings from Poland, also installation workers, then construction jobs also available, and optical fiber installations also, and Seamstress jobs in Poland, then welding jobs also available. Then next, chicken factory jobs, then mushroom farm worker, and factors packing jobs. So many job openings from Poland. Don't be late. For any jobs you want to apply as soon as possible, and I hope you will get a reply to attend the interview. And please make your CV professional, be professional, and send it to the given official email ID. Once your CV will be utilized, you have to attend the interview, and if you want getting success from the interview, you can move forward for the further process. So hope guys, this is a very important job openings. Don't miss this chance. If you want to move any European country, this is a golden chance. So collect this information and apply as soon as possible, and if possible, please share this information to your friends and relatives or all persons who are willing to move abroad with a job. Hope this information will be very important for them. So guys, I hope this urgent job vacancies from Poland information will be helpful for your careers, and you can utilize these informations to apply for this job. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, I will share with you a different countries job openings, and I hope you will get benefits. So guys, stay tuned. Bye bye.